Hello, pumpkins. Today we will be making a vest out of a pair of pants. It is quick and it is easy. You can use your sewing machine or even hand sew. I used my Kenmore sewing machine. Grab your pants. Cut 2.5 centimeters or 1 inch from the crotch area of your pants. Once both of your legs are cut, use your seam rippers to cut one seam on each tube. If you don't have seam rippers, you can always use your scissors. Using chalk, draw your pattern on the back side of the material you have. Do not forget about your seam allowance. Cut out the pattern that you traced from each leg, and for the front of your vest, cut down the middle, or use your seam rippers, and make 2 pieces. Pin the right sides of the material together and get ready to sew.